Good morning, West Squad, man. So today I will be flying to Montego Bay, Jamaica, man. You know, it's my birthday. My birthday is July 5th. So yeah, I'm going to Jamaica for my birthday. So I'm at the airport right now. So I will see you guys soon. I'm with my sister and stuff, and my friend. The rest of the people coming tomorrow. So yeah, I'm at George Bush Airport. So we just passed security, so we are about to go to our gates. So yeah, I will see you guys soon, man. I cannot wait. You see, I'm representing and stuff, you know. I got the yellow on me and stuff, the yellow and black, you know, that's the Jamaican color. I'm only missing the green, but hey, it's in the back. You see it? Okay then. Okay then. So see you guys soon. So I'm on the plane. Montego Bay it is. I want to take a picture of that.
Hello. Okay.
Yes,
oh, hold on.
So yeah, guys, I just got to Jamaica, man. You know, that Shina's in the building. Yes, look how fine she looks. Yeah, it's 21 for them. Okay then, I see it. But yeah, we're in Jamaica. We're in Jamaica, so we're about to have a good time. We got our driver Sid. We got Sid in the building, so yeah, we here. So we're about to go to the Airbnb to check in and stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys soon, man. I'm in Jamaica, man. Yeah, guys, look at where we at, man. Montego Bay. Let me try to get a thumbnail with that thing. Yeah, shout out to our driver, man. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Yeah, man.
Take it off.
Yes, sir. We're here, man. Hey.
Have a great time here, don't worry yourself.
Oh, yes, sir. Montego Bay. Okay, then. You see it? Stop playing with us. We're in the street. We're in the street. We're in the street, man. Hey, Stashina. Man, she's too fine, man. Oh my God. Oh.
Can you take a picture for us, me and her? Come on.
Alright, man, so we here. Yeah, Slylark Villa.
Someone is coming.
Yeah, man. So, this is our Airbnb. Put it on standard.
Look, it's better now.
Yeah, I think it's good now. That's where mine's at, yeah. We're in the building. Hello. Hey. How you doing? Slylark, yeah.
You got your
Yeah, so we're about to get.
Yeah, man.
Hey, tell them your name.
Yeah, I'm Howard.
Howard. Alright, what about you, ma'am?
Welcome to Slylark.
Thank you. What about you, ma'am?
Sonia, welcome.
Sonia. Oh, that's my auntie name.
Alright, we're gonna.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you guys.
Oh, yeah, I like that. Safety first. Safety first.
Man,
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So I got us get you.
97.7, huh?
Perfect.
That's how it was at the airport. Great. Yeah.
And sanitizer.
Okay, man. Yes, ma'am. Hand sanitizer. I like that. Hand sanitizer, please. Yes.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Can you hold this? Thank you.
Safety first, y'all.
We in Jamaica.
Okay, that's a nice villa.
Yes? Yes, they do.
Hey, hand sanitize your hands real quick.
Sanitize right there for me, sweetheart. Of course. Right, yes. Good girl.
Hey, that's a nice house.
Yeah.
I like the view.
We're getting the tour.
I started about
She about to show us around and stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a tour of the house.
Okay, then that's the master.
Oh, it's so beautiful. This is
Alright.
the house for me, guys.
Oh my God. Yo.
Oh, I gotta take a picture down here. It's the view. Look at this.
See? That's all they're not gonna miss
Yeah.
nothing.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Man, that view of that infinity pool.
The view? Look at this.
That infinity pool.
Look here. They can't even see the water.
Oh my God.
It's the view for me. Our Airbnb is lit, right? Right?
Right.
Like, look at this, y'all. I love it here. I don't want to come back to Houston.
I don't want to go.
I don't want to go back to Houston.
We stayed in Jamaica.
we
Hey,
gonna
sis,
13 days.
we're gonna stay in
We're gonna buy
Jamaica. Yo, look at this view, man. I don't think I'm going back to the United States.
like it?
Yo, this thing is too nice, man. Whenever you come to Montego,
I'm
Jamaica,
excited.
your book with the with Slylark Villa, man. They have the best Airbnb in town. Yeah, I'm ready to turn up, man. Fuck it. One
And we got
punch.
rum punch.
One punch.
That's a Jamaican Jolly.
Yeah.
I tell you,
Yeah, man, we got them oxtail, man. Yeah. The table is beautiful. Yeah, man. Good morning, West Squad, man. So today is day 2, man, in Jamaica, Montego Bay, to be exact, man. So yes, man. So yesterday we was playing, like, you know, we were making plans with our driver to make sure we know what we're gonna do each day. So check out the drip, though. Check out the drip. So yes, man. So hey, this is where we slept last night. Me and Tashina. Say what's up to my people. Oh, alright, she's hungry. That's why she cannot talk right now.
Hi, guys.
Nah, she's faking it now, yo. Don't believe the hype.
I'm hungry.
Don't believe the hype, yo. So she's faking it. But yeah, guys. So today we finna have a good time, man. So 2 of our people coming today. So I'm gonna show you guys when they come and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna pick them up later on at the airport and stuff. But hey, check out the view, though. Check out the motherfucking view, though. I'm sorry for cursing, but that view is amazing. Look at this. I know you guys would like to be here right now, man. But hey, next time. Alright, but check out the view. That's an amazing view. Shout out to Esther. Gang, gang, gang. She's waiting for that breakfast. Yeah, man. Yeah, check out the view, though. The view's so fucking beautiful. Like, and this right here, oh my God. Look, let me show you guys something real quick. So you woke up early in the morning and you,
You got your sneakers on the bed?
It's not on the bed, it's in the edge of the bed. So stop playing with your boy. So look at the view. Oh my God. Alright, so she's trying to fuck up my thing. I'm working and stuff, and then she's distracting me. Come here. She's trying to turn around.
You never try to show them my body.
Turn around. You were trying to show it earlier, but god damn. Jesus Christ, But anyway, guys, so we're about to eat breakfast. I will see you guys at the breakfast area, man. breakfast right now, and I cannot get enough of this view, man. I can't get enough, man. This shit is so beautiful. Oh my God. Coffee time, yes.
Sorry, that's like yesterday. No, it's a very special.
I want everybody to say good morning from Jamaica all together. Let's go. Good morning from Jamaica.
I should have said mom.
Yeah, man. Yes. Shout out to Howard. Yo.
I requested coffee.
Big up yourself, my man.
Big up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here you have sugar here and here you have milk.
Sugar, yes. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to eat my food, so I will catch you guys
Look at Sam.
whenever the other food comes. Alright, so breakfast served by Howard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Big up yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So the pancake made from scratch. You feel me? So look at this, man.
Thanks, Howard.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss Sonia, and
Thanks to Howard, mom.
Yeah.
And
Big up yourself, mommy. Although you're not here, next year you will hear.
yes.
this is Wens. Like, you want to eat all that? You want to share?
Ma'am, you got your own. You feel me? So worry about you. Mind your business. Okay.
I'm being
That's your favorite word to say.
You
Mind
got
your
3
business.
YouTubers here.
Man, 3 YouTubers. One is being lazy.
4.
Alright, y'all. I'm about.
YouTubers too.
We are about to eat right now. So bon appetit. Bon appetit. So right now we are on our way to the grocery store. Now we're to the grocery store right now, man. Shit, blurred than
Hot. It's not the hot for me.
Decline. Let me see them so I can make sure I like them before you doing all this.
So yeah, that's the Jamaican highway. Market for aggressive foods. So we out here in the Caribbean, man. We out here. This is our car. Yeah, man. So we're about to get in there. Yeah. So we at the grocery store.
That's Marie's joke though.
Black Lives Matter.
You see the cake?
They got everything here, man.
See the cake?
They got everything.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Don't leave me, don't leave me.
There's another one.
They got everything they have back in the state. What? Oh, they got the sports shake.
Thank you.
Say yeah, man.
But thank you.
Yeah. She found a boyfriend in Jamaica. You what up? Yes, guys, so look at this, yo. We bought the whole grocery store, man. You know, we gotta have some chicken and stuff. Look at this. And you know, the red stripe, that's the local beer. So,
Red Stripe.
don't buckle up.
We need to get champagne.
Yeah.
We need to get champagne for the mimosas. We need to get champagne for the mimosas.
We're gonna go to the store. We're going to. Yeah, we're gonna liquor
Yeah,
store.
man.
This is
That's Sheena. They real Sheena.
Is that the parking lot? I'm vlogging. Look, pay attention. So you better go on my channel.
Yeah.
This is the one they call pigeon. You cut my words.
I mean,
What else, Sonia?
Okay,
see it, bling, bling, bling.
Alright, let me record this. Let me record from my channel. You're not gonna buy it, right?
No, we need vegetables and bread.
Bling, bling. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay then. You see it? Stop playing with your boy. We're buying the whole store, man. Fuck it. On vacation. It's my birthday trip. Why not? It's my birthday trip, so why not? You know? It's the big up yourself, man.
That's the big up yourself.
Yeah. That's a step for you. You know, she don't do much, man. She's shy.
She don't do much.
Yeah, she's shy. Sarah. And then we got Sarah. Sarah. Go crazy, Sarah. Okay, we got Slylark. Yeah.
So we're gonna change out.
Okay then. And we got Sid.
Time to go to a club, right?
Yes.
We're going to the club today.
So we're checking out right now, guys. We're checking out.
Why are you so close?
Man, and they're still
Is it
skinning.
caca?
Yeah.
Right here.
They're still scanning. What the fudge?
I'm embarrassed. What are y'all doing?
I'm embarrassed.
I told you guys we were gonna buy the whole store.
Where is it?
We bought the whole store, man.
I don't see it.
That's for only 5 days. I mean 4 days. We have 4 days left.
Shit.
Yes, man. So this is the amount for the whole food.
Okay.
For the grocery, man. This is the amount. You feel me? Oh my God, that's a lot of money.
Wait, why they giving me 10?
I don't know why. My other people are here, man. You know it's about to get lit. Yeah. Look who's here. Hey! Welcome to Jamaica, man. No problem. How was your flight?
It was cool.
Alright, so Jazzy. Hey! It's lit! Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica, man. Okay then. Good morning, West Squad, man. So today is day 3 in Montego Bay, Jamaica, man. So listen, check out the drip for today. Check out the drip for today. So yeah, so today is actually like day 3. So today we're going to Blue Hole Waterfall. So yeah, so we're about to go there. So but before we go there, we're about to eat breakfast first, and after that we're gonna go to Blue Hole Waterfall. But hey, man, you know, I have to show you guys this view. You feel me? So that's the most perfect view ever. You can see the whole, like, you know, sea over there. See it? So yeah, man. So yesterday we didn't do much because we were waiting on our friend to get here and stuff. So yeah, so we were waiting on them. But went to the liquor store to get some liquor, and after that, what did we do? We ate. You know, we had a good time, but I didn't want to record that because, you know, sometimes, you know, you just need some private time with your people to enjoy yourself, you feel me? But like I said, man, I'm gonna make sure I record everything for you guys, you know, because I know some people watching my vlog, they want to come to Jamaica, but I don't know if it's safe to come. But to be honest with you, I feel safer here than the United States, because they make sure, like, you know, I'm talking about the corona thing, you feel me? But I don't know about the security, like, you know, all the security stuff and stuff, you feel me? Like, I don't know if it's really like the US, you know, like whenever you call the cops, they will come, like, you know, within like 10 minutes, whatever. But I don't know if you work here like that too, so I don't know about that. But where we stay at, like, we have a security, we have a, like, you know, somebody to cook for us, to serve us, to fix our room and stuff. So it's pretty dope. It's good service only, you feel me? So I hope when you come to Jamaica, man, you choose this wonderful place, man. It's very beautiful. The way they treat us, they're really amazing, you feel me? So I don't know, man, like on the scale 1 to 10, they broke my scale because they're on top of everything, you feel me? So I'm not gonna talk too much, man. I know you guys wanna see what I'm gonna do, but hey, stay tuned. All right, I'm about to eat breakfast. Yeah, so we're heading to the car. Yeah, man, we're going to Blue Hole River. Yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now we're heading to Blue Hole Waterfall with the squad, you know. Yeah. 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 Got my baby. Hey.
See, this is too big.
Okay.
Yeah. You just got the wrong size, because Frosted Lobo would never.
Whoa, did we give them the money? Did y'all give them?
When you go down, you
Oh, okay.
Hey, Ray,
I don't
say hi to my vlog. Hey. Say hi, Sid.
Hi.
I'm Sid too.
Yeah.
Not right now. Yes, but it's big as hell.
Oh. I wanna do it. Can you get me?
Yeah, you gonna do it? Oh!
Who's going next? You ready, boys?
The birthday boy. Oh, look at Gilbert.
Ready?
No. Okay.
Hold on.
Come on.
Ready? One, two, three, go. Let's go, boys. Who's going next? Come on. Have to be one of the ladies.
Okay, Al finna go. Al finna go. Woo! Oh, girl. I'm not even gonna go fast. Okay.
You're going down.
Who's gonna jump? Over there.
All chicken.
All chicken. We already ate chicken. We could share.
Came in the building. Hey.
Alright, who wants up?
I want to jump. Yeah. That Blue Hole River.
But I thought she did like a video. Yeah, this is not my charger either.
I just want you to know.
I know some niggas that'll shoot you for nothing. Run, Ricky, yeah, you want it. Run, Ricky, yeah, you want it. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the money. That's why I'm retarded. Baby, welcome to the party. Your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.